Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a glider in Bloxed. First, you'll need to gather the necessary resources. Look for wood, which is abundant in the game world, and fabric, which can often be found in chests or by defeating certain enemies. Once you have these items, locate a crafting table. This is where all your building projects come to life. We'll then combine these materials to construct your very own glider, ready for aerial adventures. To craft a glider, specific materials are essential. You'll need 10 wood planks, which are easily obtained by chopping down trees and processing the logs. For the wings, 5 pieces of fabric are required. These can sometimes be looted from enemies or found in various containers throughout the map. Finally, a crafting table is indispensable. Without it, you won't be able to combine your gathered resources into a functional glider. Make sure you have all these items before starting. With your materials ready, approach the crafting table. Open the crafting interface, which typically shows a grid. Place the 10 wood planks in the bottom rows to form the glider's frame. Then, position the 5 fabric pieces in the rows above the wood, shaping the wings. If done correctly, a glider icon should appear in the output slot. Click this icon to complete the crafting process and add the new glider to your inventory. Now that you've successfully crafted your glider, it's time to take to the skies. Equip the glider from your inventory, usually by dragging it to an active slot. To activate it, find a high vantage point, like a tall mountain or building, and simply jump off. The glider will automatically deploy, allowing you to soar gracefully across the Bloxed landscape. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Enjoy exploring new areas and reaching previously inaccessible locations with your new aerial advantage.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.